Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating client-side causes. First, set your computer clock correctly because TLS validation depends on timestamps. Then update and restart your browser to ensure modern TLS support. Once done, clear cache and cookies so stale state doesn't hide the problem. Next, open a different browser or use another device. If the site loads there, the issue is likely local. If both fail, you've moved from quick fixes to a server-side diagnosis. Keep this context in mind. You now inspect the server. Use command line TLS tools or your hosting control panel to confirm the server negotiates TLS 1, 2 or 1. 3 and that old protocols are disabled. Legacy protocols trigger this error. Make sure the full certificate chain is installed. Missing intermediates cause browsers to reject the handshake. Also verify the server returns the correct certificate for the hostname using SNI. Misconfigured virtual hosts will cause a mismatch. Once you update Cypher suites and reconfigure SNI, restart the service to apply changes. You finish by applying and validating changes. Restart your web server, load balancer, and CDN so new TLS settings take effect, then check the site in a fresh private window. Make sure HSDS or cached redirects aren't forcing an incompatible handshake. Clear them if needed. If the error persists, gather TLS logs and run an OpenSSL S-client handshake to see exact protocol and cipher negotiation. That output tells you why the client and server disagree. One key tip: enable detailed TLS logging before making more changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.